What's up everybody, my name is Will Orrock, host of We Evolve Dance and Fitness. And today I want to go over two new shines. The first one is the chord and the second one is hook. So let's just get right into it because these steps are fun and also dynamic. First thing I want you to do is step in front with your left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here we go cross, 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 and then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's the first one. So let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and back to the basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you that from the side. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross, 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 cross. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let me break that down for you. So what I do is I step forward with my left, 1, 2, 3, back with my right, 1, 2, 3. Then I cross my left once, right foot, left foot. Then I go back, right foot, right foot, and then back to the left foot, okay? It's the same if I did it on the side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Notice that I'm stepping only on the ball of my feet. And the reason for that is because the music is fast and the transition from one foot to the next is also fast. You want to make sure to continue doing that type of step with ease. Okay, so make sure that you don't let those heels down. Yes, even those who wear heels, make sure you still dance on the ball of your foot. You can also do the variation as so. You can do half of it and then go back. So if I was gonna do again with my left foot, I would go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And I go 1, 2, 3, step back, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, step back, 5, 6, 7. Very simple. Let me show you from this side. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, one more time, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? The chord is also used to kind of advance the dance step. So as in advance the bodies. Sometimes you might get a little bit further away from your partner, or you and your partner are standing next to each other and you want to do a movement where you both come forward and then you might do something like this. I mean, the sky's the limit in this case. That's when you would want to use one of these steps. All right, let's go on step number 2. Step number 2 is called the hook. And the way that the hook works is like this. You go 1, 2, 3 with the left foot forward, 5, 6, 7. Then you come around 1, 2, and 3, change sides, 5, 6, and 7. Here we go again. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, as I cross, I kind of slide it across the floor. I step with my left foot, step back with my right foot, and I kind of flick this foot out, okay? So again, I cross with the right foot, step back with the left foot, and flick out the right foot, okay? So it looks like this all together. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you that from the side. So here we go. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Let's do it. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 again. And 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's pretty much it for that step. Really, it's just a hook. It's kind of a fun step to do, especially if your partner was to do the chord. That's the step I was telling you about, that where you would both move forward. So let's say my partner's moving forward, and as she does 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, whichever the case, okay? And again, this does not have anything to do whether the lead does it or the follow. Both sides can do it. You just have to know when. If you're a follow, you're gonna do it on 5, 6, 7. If you're the lead, you're gonna do it right away on 1, 2, 3. That's the difference. Otherwise, you both can do it. Yeah, sure, there'll be a little bit of different styling. The follow might be more, flirty or maybe more tough. It just depends on who's dancing with whom, okay? So, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed these steps today, because it's so important for me to get this information to you, because I love this and I love to watch people go out on the dance floor and not only try these steps, but just the dance in general. It's so pleasurable to watch that. All right, guys, so those are the steps for today. I hope you found some value in this, and if you did, show me by smashing that like button. And if you're not a subscriber to this channel yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit that button down below and that little bell button right next to it. Smash that too, because that lets you know when all my videos are coming out. Once again, my name is Will Orog, host of We Evolve Dance and Fitness, and I do hope to see you out there trying these movements on the dance floor.